Hi everyone, today I want to share my reflection on very important topics in English language teaching, identifying and applying reading materials for EFL learners. As both a student and future teacher, this topic has really made me think deeply about how to make reading more effective and engaging for learners. One of the first things I've realized is that understanding the learner's needs is crucial when selecting reading materials. As students, I've experienced how the wrong type of material can either overwhelm or bore learners. For instance, in my early English learning, I remember struggling with texts that were too difficult because they weren't aligned with my proficiency level. This really affected my motivation at the time. From a teacher perspective, it's important to balance between choosing materials that challenge students without discouraging them. Factors like age, interest, language proficiency, and learning goals must be considered. I've learned that younger learners need simpler, more visual text, while advanced learners may need authentic materials like article or novel to sharpen their comprehension skills. There are so many types of reading materials. We can use textbooks, graded readers, authentic materials like newspaper, or even digital resources. But just choosing the right material is not enough. It's about how we apply these materials in this classroom. This is where pre-reading, while reading, and post-reading activities play such a key role. In my experience, when teachers incorporate pre-reading activities like vocabulary preview or discussion about the theme, it builds a better foundation for understanding. I've also learned that comprehension check during reading helps students engage more deeply. Asking questions about both literal and inferred meaning can promote critical thinking. As a future educator, developing reading materials ourselves can be just as important as selecting pre-made ones. I've realized that this process requires a lot of careful thought. We have to ensure that the materials we create are level appropriate and that they integrate grammar and vocabulary in meaningful way. Visual are also incredibly useful tool, especially for lower level learners. For my experience, when the teacher provide image or diagram to accompany text, it helps students grasp a difficult concept faster. And lastly, making reading more interactive, like through groups discussion or pair work, really enhance engagement. I saw this during a teaching simulation I participate in where students who discuss the text in pairs performance much better in post-reading activities. In conclusion, identifying and applying reading materials is not just about picking the right text. It's about understanding the learner, creating a structure around the reading process, and even developing your own materials when necessary. As both a student and teacher candidate, I've seen the impact that thoughtful selection and application can have on a learner's progress. I'm excited to continue developing my skill in this area as I move forward in my teaching journey. Thank you for watching.